Welcome to CASTL, the Canadian Alliance for Skills and Training in Life Sciences. Whether you're an industry partner, a new learner, or simply curious about our training environment, you are in the right place. In this short video, we'll take you behind the scenes to explore how CASTL trains world-class talent for Canada's growing biomanufacturing and life sciences sector. From hands-on learning spaces to cutting-edge equipment, industry-informed curricula, and instructors with real-world expertise, everything at CASTL is built to create a job-ready workforce. In this tour, you'll step inside CASTL's 6,000 square foot GMP-simulated Vancouver facility. You'll see hands-on learning in real-world settings and meet the people driving biomanufacturing excellence in Canada. Let's take a closer look at the spaces and equipment that make CASTL's BC Biomanufacturing Training Facility a powerful accelerator for biomanufacturing professionals. Our training facilities mirror the workflows used to manufacture monoclonal antibodies, one of the most widely produced classes of biopharmaceuticals. From the moment you enter, CASTL's BC facility feels like a real manufacturing site with clean room simulated labs, industry-scale equipment, and learning zones built for hands-on training. Training happens in 3 core labs: upstream, downstream, and quality control, all connected by a central corridor. Every hands-on session begins in the gowning room. Learners master gowning protocols, starting in grade D, C environments and progressing to grade B procedures. We begin in the upstream processing lab, focusing on cell culture and scale-up. This space simulates pilot-scale biomanufacturing using single-use technologies from 125 ml shake flasks to 200-liter bioreactors. Trainees start with cell thaw and expansion, learn aseptic techniques, track every step in GMP-style logbooks, and practice bioreactor operation, sterile welding, bag integrity testing, probe calibration, and data analysis with metabolite analyzers. Next is the downstream lab, where drug substances are clarified, purified, and formulated. Here, trainees work with depth filtration, tangential flow filtration systems, and chromatography, including column packing, buffer management, and resin handling. Filter integrity testing reinforces sterility assurance and pre- and post-run methods. Our facility also includes a dedicated quality control laboratory. Trainees gain experience in microbiological and analytical quality control, testing raw materials, intermediates, and manufacturing environment and final products. They work with endotoxin and rapid bioburden testing, as well as advanced systems like HPLC, qPCR, and ELISA. At CASTL, our immersive GMP-simulated environments are built with one goal in mind: the patients whose lives depend on the quality and safety of these products. Our programs are scenario-based, immediately applicable, and adaptable to meet your organization's needs, whether delivered on-site, virtually, or in our facilities. Whether you're leading a biomanufacturing team or building your career, CASTL has the training pathways to get you there. We are Canada's biomanufacturing training partner. Your next step starts here. Explore our programs, book a tour, or connect with us today at castlcanada.ca.